Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm a little disheveled today. I am doing birthday party projects for my daughter's birthday party. We're doing a Frozen theme, so I thought I would show you some of the different stuff I'm doing. Right now I'm going to be making these little goodie bags. This was really easy to do, mostly because Olaf is kind of like haphazard anyway. He's characterized by the fact that he's wobbly, so you don't have to be perfect, you don't have to get him straight or anything. I'm going to show you how I did this. It's mostly construction paper with a little bit of hand drawing. If you don't feel confident in your drawing, you could easily print out his face and do this as well, but I'm gonna like cut out the pieces and put them together and show you how fast it is.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We blink and then it's gone, so we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Alright, so now I'm going to make a little snowman favor. I got these little baggies at the Dollar Tree, and in them I'm going to put 3 big marshmallows, 2 little marshmallows, 2 pretzel sticks, a couple mini chocolate chips, and an orange Tic Tac. So it's the makings of Olaf, and then I'm going to put a little tag on it that I printed out that says, do you want to build a snowman? And this will be a favor for like anybody to take home, not just the kids.
Then to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba-bow, ba-da-ba-ba-bow, ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-dow. Ba-bow, ba-da-ba-bow, yeah, ba-ba-ba-bow. Come on in, come on in.
Alright, so that's the finished product. Once I put the little tag on, I just taped it right on, and I can put like a pile of views on a little favor table for kids and grown-ups to take home.